Hey, everybody, this is Chintwa, your happiness specialist, coming to you with a quick video today. Most of you don't know the story I'm about to share with you, but I'm going to kind of keep it short because I want to make it a two-part story so you kind of know um, who yours truly is, where I've been, where I come from, the things that I've been through. Um, yeah, most of you don't know that I'm a Marine. I came out of boot camp in Beaufort, South Carolina, Paris Island, the only Marine boot camp. That's an inside joke for all my Hollywood Marines. But most of you don't know this story about that experience that I almost didn't graduate. I almost didn't make it through boot camp. I almost didn't make it. I and a whole bunch of other people that look just like me for this one simple reason. What that reason is, I am not going to share it in this part. Come back for the second part, and I'll share that with you. Maybe that will help you when you're going through stuff, when you're going through your journey, the importance of sticking in there, hanging in there, and seeing your actions come through, seeing your dreams come true, seeing your goals come true, no matter how big, no matter how small the goals may be. Maybe just one goal, maybe two goals, maybe three. It really doesn't matter. But you're going to learn the importance of sticking with that goal and seeing it through. Until the next video, this is Chintwa, your happiness specialist. Take care. Bye for now.